Oh, I've got to find Graham. He's going to be hard to find. All right, found the man himself. Hardest man to find at the show, Graham Cahill. How you going?
Mate, I'm hard to find because my voice is just about gone. Yeah, my voice. Hard to find because I'm so short. Is that what you're saying?
No, you can't miss the car, though. I definitely saw that. I knew that's where you were.
Yeah, man. Yeah, how's your show going?
Very good, very good. First year where I'm actually on display, so big step up. I interviewed you last year.
Yep.
I'm like, my name's Sam, I've got a little YouTube channel, but I'm here today, having a yarn with everyone, so pleasure to be here.
Dude, I'm going to ask you, how is the YouTube channel going? Because I am keeping a very close eye across social media borders at the moment, because as I was just saying on the stage then, I think we are right on the cusp, not even seeing it, but right on the cusp of change. How's it all going for you?
I agree with that.
I'm you now.
Yeah, I know, but I do recall, you were mentioning before you were going to start delving into the YouTube stuff, and I must agree with you, like just with the way technology is going, it's so easily accessible for people to watch that kind of stuff, but it's just doing what the people like, I think, and I know you've done a few uploads, but just once you get going and be consistent, it'll just start coming, and so are you looking forward to it?
Man, I think you just hit the word perfectly on the head then, is consistency. I am not consistent because I've got so much else going on in my life, but I want to do one more before the end of this year. I've got 6 planned for next year, which is going to take me right up the WA coast. And I mean, everyone's got a valid point of view, and I'm loving everyone's uploads, everything that everyone's doing. I guess the only point of difference I'm trying to get across is that I'm doing the entire thing myself. So producing, editing, shooting, presenting, I even do my own cooking. Which is the bad bit. So I'm trying to do everything myself, so that's why I got all solo. So yeah, man, I'm really looking forward to the future. I think it's got a long way to go. I
think that's what people appreciate, especially with you and having such a big crew and the history with 4-wheel-drive action. To have you go out and do it yourself, you're no stranger to cameras, but you're definitely giving it a crack, and it's just going to be something different for people to see for Graham Cahill.
Yeah, man, I'm stoked with it, and I think, like I said before, the online presence of people like yourself, like Ronny, like Harry, it's just blowing up at the moment. And what I'm loving more than anything else, it's WA content, man. Like we are leading the way. We are leading the way, and I'm bloody proud of that. I'm a parochial West Australian. I love this place. Wouldn't live anywhere else. And to see the blokes from all over WA doing what we're doing, man, can't be better. We all got to get together.
We do.
We need to do just one big camping trip together. There probably shouldn't be anything being filmed if we do that. That'd be.
Well, that is true. But I'm down for that. It'd be hard to get everyone together, but I know everyone would be keen for that.
We could do it. It'd be sick, man. Yeah.
Should we get started with the interview?
Yeah, let's do that.
So I got some different questions from last year, but first one is, have you ever rolled a 4-wheel drive?
3 times now. Yeah, 3 times.
The dents are still on the car?
Yeah, man. So I've done Shorty twice and the D-Max once.
Yes, the D-Max is the most recent one.
Yeah,
glad you're right.
That was a big one, dude. That was a big off. That wasn't off-road. That was a high-speed off into a bank, rolled down onto the road, skidded down the road, wrote the car off, bent the chassis, cracked the A-pillar on the passenger side, and I was lucky to walk away, bro. So that one I'm not putting as a funny one. It was a real gnarly one. Could have gone a lot worse, but I'll try not to do it again.
Yeah, live and learn. All right, next question. Picture this, right? Inexperienced 4-wheel driver dropped in the driver's seat of a new 4-wheel drive.
Yep.
That car's picked up by a helicopter, dropped in the middle of the Simpson Desert.
Yep.
What's the first thing you suggest he does when he gets there?
Okay, I'm going to go. I used to work in the middle of nowhere on the trans line outside of Kalgoorlie with an old guy called Lee Hembro. Now, Lee taught me so much about the bush. He was an old bushie. Here's the thing. He built his hut out there using every third sleeper off the railway line that went across the country, so they couldn't find who did it. He taught me the first thing you should do if you get into any trouble anywhere in the bush is have a cup of tea. Because it slows you down, calms you down, gives you time to think, hydrates you a little bit, then make a decision. I'd sit down and have a cup of tea, say good day to Lee in my brain, then I'd let my tyres down, dude, all the way down.
Get the awning out first, bit of shade too?
I don't need that, man. I'm like a bushman.
All right, so next thing is a bit of rapid fire.
Yep.
So next 20 seconds, hopefully I get it right. I've been trying to memorise these questions.
Go for it.
All right, Toyota or Nissan?
Value for money, Nissan.
Petrol or diesel?
100% diesel.
Lifting wheels and lockers or flex?
Flex, but lifting wheels and lockers is more fun.
East or west?
Oh, dude, west is best. Hashtag.
North or south?
South in the summer, north in the winter.
Bush or beach?
Beach.
Boots or thongs?
Batongs.
Boobs or bum?
Oh, dude.
Just joking, not to answer that. All right, I'm going to catch up with Ronny here. Here's the man himself. Ronny, how are you, my man?
How are you, mate?
It's been 12 months. I'm back here again. I've got some more questions for you. Firstly, how's the show going for you today? It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Oh, pretty good, mate. Yeah, that's right. That's a fluff for your mic, right?
Trying something different using a microphone, a bit more professional, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, first question for you. Have you ever rolled a four-wheel drive? Tell me about it.
No, I've come close, but I don't want to roll one.
Yeah, that's a good call. I agree with that. Longest time you've been bogged, or the biggest bog you've been in?
Probably 4 hours on a salt lake. 4 hours on Salt Lake, 37-degree heat. 2 other vehicles, both drivers panicking. Me trying to calm everyone down while we're getting out.
I find that's the biggest thing, like when someone gets bogged, it's the panic and you don't do things properly, you think irrationally. It's all about being methodical, isn't that? Is that right?
Exactly. I guess when you get bogged in this really bad situation, what you got to do is just calm everyone down. A bit like what Bob Cooper says, actually. If you get stuck in the bush, make a cup of tea, have a cold bottle of water, sit in the shade, think about what you're going to do before you do anything. Obviously, if you're on the beach and the tide's coming in, it's a bit different, but that's where you need to be the big boy and go and just take control and just tell people to calm down. But
Excellent, excellent. All right, picture this. Young, inexperienced four-wheel driver. He's dropped in the driver's seat of a four-wheel drive. That four-wheel drive is picked up by a helicopter and dropped in the middle of the Simpson Desert. What's the first thing you suggest he does when he gets there?
can I suggest before he gets there? Fill the car with water first.
No, when he gets there, this is a tough situation for a young, inexperienced driver. What would you suggest?
Lower your tyres and work out where the hell you are.
Follow the stars, maybe.
Yeah, maybe not follow the stars, but work out where you are. Hopefully there's a track there because you've been dropped in. It's a bit of a hard one here. That's been dropped in a different word than a deep end.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's definitely a hypothetical situation. All right, I've got some rapid fire questions for you. Hopefully you can keep up with me, maybe in the next 20 seconds. Hopefully I get it right. I've been sort of practicing these, but Toyota or Nissan?
Toyota.
Petrol or diesel?
Diesel.
Or lifting wheels and lockers or flex?
Lifting wheels and lockers.
Oh, east or west?
West.
North or south?
Middle?
North or south?
Oh, south.
Oh,
I can't choose.
beach or bush?
Mate, both.
Boots or thongs?
Boots.
Boobs or bum? I'm joking enough to answer that one. Jesus, cut. What? We will be seeing a modified video of the Build Not Bought truck anytime soon, do you think?
Oh, it'd be criminal not to, wouldn't it?
Excellent. Look out for that, guys. It'll be coming soon for sure. My friends at Quick Pitch. You guys are no stranger at Quick Pitch. They hooked us up with one of these alley cab tents, and you know by now it's one of my favourite mods on that car. Actually, probably the favourite thing on my car. Where's Gav? Oh, he's over there. Oh, he's having a chat with someone. Oh, look what we got here. No, I'm just joking. What's up, dude?
Oh, living the dream. Living the dream. It's a nice day for it.
It is a nice day, and you've got a bit of shade here, which is good.
Yeah, it's a beautiful Pilbara winter.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm working in Karratha at the moment. I know the wet's coming.
I know. I've been looking around for you over there. I haven't seen you yet.
It's Intercourse Island. Actually, cut that out. Just joking. So, if you don't know, Gavin has a YouTube channel as well. Go hit him up. Type in Gavin Gillett, or have you got it named under?
I changed it to my name. I found out all the cool people like you were using their real names, so I changed it from Summit Expeditions to my name. I want to be cool too.
Yeah, Gavin Gillett. Go check out his stuff. It's awesome work. Amazing with the drones as well. Like, look at his gear. You're a full-on drone pilot, aren't you? You got the shebang.
Do it for work. Yeah, I do it for work now as well. So all my hobbies have become my living. I love it. I do the filming for work. I do Rio Tinto videos, the drone stuff. So I'm kind of living the dream at the moment.
That is the dream.
Yeah.
Oh, good to see you, man.
Thanks, man. Great to see you too.
Oh, look who we got here. Andrew Fan from Fantastic Adventures. How you going?
Not too bad, mate. What about yourself?
Long time no see. I know you were at my show last weekend. Thank you for coming to that. Did you enjoy yourself?
I really did, man. Perfect. Absolutely amazing show. If you run that over east, I'm definitely going to have to be there with you.
Awesome, man. Let's go together. We'll go for a big convoy, go for a big adventure.
That's it. Across the Nullarbor, straight across, and we'll go over there and show both our cars.
So you got the rig here today, eh?
I do have the rig here today, down at the Quick Pitch store.
Sweet. So if you want to hit him up on YouTube, Fantastic Adventures. But he also runs the FJ Club, so if you've got an FJ, it's a no-brainer.
Yeah.
But he also has some awesome information on there as well if you're anything to do with full driving, really, yeah.
Exactly, man. Anything to do with the FJ cruisers, from modifications to different things that you want to do. Even I run trips for the Perth FJ crew as well. So head out, come see me and come see the cruiser and get some ideas for your own cruiser.
Beautiful. Subscribe. So around about now, you're probably wondering, where is the interview with Jase Andrews? I mean, he was in the thumbnail, but where's the interview? Well, I wouldn't be a cameraman if I didn't forget to turn the mic on, would I? Bit of lip syncing maybe? We are with Jase Andrews. How are we enjoying the day, mate? Oh, yeah. So I wanted to catch up with you last year. Try to come up to you. So I'm going to ask a couple of questions from last year. Then we'll get on to the ones for this year. So, first off, what's your favourite car that's not a four-wheel drive? Favourite car that's not a four-wheel drive? Oh, okay. I like four-wheel drive. Got to be a four-wheel drive. I don't know any other cars that aren't four-wheel drive, man. It's got to be a four-wheel drive.
Oh, come on, it's got to be something like a Mustang or something like that.
No. Something that's not
I
a
like
four-wheel
four-wheel drive.
That's alright. Not a chance. It's got to be a four-wheel drive. Alright, next question. Have you ever rolled a four-wheel drive? Oh, plenty of times for me. I was out four-wheel driving. Oh boy. Yep. John took a photo for me. Well, the missus has rolled a couple of times four-wheel driving. Actually, that first time we were at the beach. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, that's what I think. Alright, so that was it. Now, what's the longest time you've been bogged? Oh, probably the longest time I've been bogged. Shit, it would have to be that rollover before I got bogged. It was half an hour seeing goldfish, yep. Yeah, I remember that. The fact I was, yeah, all good. I just come across, and there was that's my first piece of goldfish. Then they rolled up to me, and we pushed up to me. There was plenty of water. I remember I'm ready to swim out there, and I was swimming out. All of a sudden, over on that side, and I'm done. I'm out here. You're in trouble. Alright, next you got to keep up with me. Rapid fire. It's going to be the next 20 seconds. So, alright, so here we go. Remember, Toyota or Nissan? So, I don't know. Petrol or diesel? Diesel. Lockers or lift or flex? Oh, I'd have to say lockers and lifting wheels, I think. A bit funny. East or west? Probably up the top. Next is north or south? Definitely Western Australia, mate. Beach or bush? Bush and beach. Boots or thongs? No, I don't like boots. Boobs or bum? Whoa, you don't say that.
Oh, hey, click the button to subscribe to my channel and you'll finally be happy.